Adding custom indicators to GSB. Do you have your own indicator toolkit you'd like to add to GSB? You can add any indicator from TradeStation or multi-charts into GSB. GSB creates a strategy that writes all the information for your indicator into a text file. This can be very slow to write, but is a one-off task. A solid-state drive may help speed up this process. Be aware that custom indicators will use more RAM than inbuilt GSB indicators. To add a custom indicator, go to the Tools menu, and then click Custom Indicators, and then click Generate Export Script. This will bring up a new custom indicator window. Under the function header, type in the name of your custom indicator. For example, MACD. Make sure the name of your indicator matches the name of the function you are referencing from TradeStation or multi-charts. You will then need to add the parameters for the indicator by clicking the icon. For example, the MACD uses the closing price, so we add close under static value. To add the dynamic values, add the minimum and maximum values for the inputs you would like to optimize. In the MACD example, we can optimize the lengths of each moving average. We've added a minimum length of 9 periods and a maximum length of 15 periods with a step of 1. We've also added a second group of inputs to optimize between 21 and 34 with a step of 1. You can add as many dynamic inputs as you require, or as few as 1, depending on your indicator requirements. For each input, you may use a fixed number like close, or a range of numbers with a stepped increment for optimizing input lengths. It is critical you do not adjust the max bars back setting, unless you are an advanced user, and understand the implications of doing this. Then hit Generate. Once the script is generated, in TradeStation or multi-charts, create a new strategy, then copy and paste the script. Press F3 to compile or verify your code. Add the strategy on your chart, making sure to set the max bars back to 500. If you are using GSB regularly for system development, change the default max bars back setting to 500. It may take 5 to 20 minutes for the custom indicators to write the text files required for GSB. On your PC, files will appear in the path CGSB data indicators data name of .txt file. Open the folder and check the text files are there. The operation will finish once the text files stop increasing in size. This may take some minutes of time. GSB will convert these text files to binary data later in the process. On a fast computer with a solid-state drive, with an indicator that is basic, it took 6 minutes to create the files on the 30-minute SPX and IDX data. If you have large ranges for input values, or smaller time increments, it will take longer. In the MACD example, the file size was 31 megabytes, and later, after GSB converted the files to binary, file size was reduced to 708 kilobytes. Now go back to GSB and under the Tools menu, go to Custom Indicators and select Load Exported Files. Custom indicators will now appear in your systems if GSB finds them useful. You can see that MACD has appeared in the custom indicator list. For more information or help with custom indicators, email support@gsbpro.com. More videos can be found on the gsbpro.com website. Happy trading!